Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever needed to delete an old bank account from your Amazon app, you know how important it is to keep your payment option clean and updated. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a bank account from your Amazon account in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Amazon app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account where the bank account is saved. Tap onto your personal info option. Here you will see a gear icon. Press on it to open your setting option. Now here is where your payment accounts are. Well, I don't have any credit or debit card, so you will have to follow my instruction to delete your old bank account. Here you will see a list of all the payments method you have added to your account, including credit card, debit cards, and bank accounts. Find the bank accounts that you want to remove. Once you have located the bank account, tap or click on the remove button next to the account you want to delete. It's a quick and easy process, and now you can keep your payment method up to date with just a few taps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.